Good morning students, Sairam. Today we are going to see the next part of EVS 1 lesson number 6 variety in food. In today's video we are going to watch about the different fruits which are available according to the seasons. We get fruits and vegetables according to seasons. So that is what we are going to watch in today's video. So let us start by learning the new words. Your first word is Previyously. Previously. Previously means earlier. The things which are happened before are known as previously. Okay. Second one, Throughout. Throughout. Throughout means all continuous. It can be every day or it can be regularly. Throughout means things which are happening continuously, or things which are taking place every day is known as throughout. Third one, improved. Improved means something which has been better quality or something improved. Suppose your handwriting in previous standard was little bit shabby, now it has improved, now it has become neat and tidy. That means your handwriting has improved, you are showing improvement. Similarly in marks also, when you get, suppose last year in EVS if you have got 17 out of 20 and this year you have got 19 out of 20, that means your marks are improved. So something which is happening for good, that is called improved. Okay. Fourth one, importing. Now importing word is related to trade. When we do trade, like we trade various things from one country to another. But when we are buying from another country, that is called as importing. So when we are buying goods from another country, that is called as importing. Is that clear? And the last one, facilities. Facilities. Facilities, it can be service. A type of service provided is known as facility. Okay, which is for the help of the people. So that is called as facilities. So now do you know all the meaning of the new words? And I hope you have made a note of all the new words. Now let us start. The availability of fruits and vegetables varies according to the seasons. What do you mean by this sentence? We get fruits and vegetables according to the seasons. Okay. As it is summer, we get different types of fruits and vegetables. When it is rainy season, we get again some other variety of fruits and vegetables. Again in winter season, we get another variety of fruits and vegetables. So the fruits and vegetables are available in the market according to the seasons. And we have three seasons, that is summer, rainy and winter. So we get fruits and vegetables according to the changes in the seasons. Now different fruits and vegetables are available in different seasons. You can find that some fruit you get in rainy season, and then as soon as summer or winter arrives, that fruit you will see less in the market or you will not see. So that is the reason, what is the meaning of this sentence, that you can see, or the fruits and vegetables are available in the market according to the seasons. Now we are going to see about the fruits which are available all year round. Means it does not require a specific season. You can see these fruits for throughout the year, that is for 12 months in a year you can see these fruits. And the first example which I have given is papaya. Papaya is a fruit which you can see all year round. You get it in all the months, available easily in the market. Okay, and it is a very healthy and nutritious and sweet fruit. You should eat at least a slice of papaya every day to keep you fit and healthy. All the fruits are good for your health, but many of the people, many people like papaya. Same way, there are few who don't like papaya, but papaya is very healthy fruit. You should have at least a slice of it every day. Okay, so papaya is a fruit which you get all the year round. Next is banana. This is a favorite fruit of everyone. Okay, that is, I don't feel like only few must be not liking banana, but banana is a fruit which you can see in the market all throughout the year. For all the months in the market you can see bananas. Yes or no? The next one is pomegranate. Pomegranate is also a fruit which you can see, which is available in the market throughout the year. Okay. Now we will see about the fruits which are available in summer season. Now which fruits you can see more during summer season? Now summer season is a season which is very heaty, you feel very hot, you sweat a lot, and during this time you are tempted to eat all the cold things which quenches your thirst. Okay, especially cold drinks or juices or ice creams and milkshakes. So these are the things which we prefer to have during summer season because it refreshes you, it gives you a type of coolness. So which are the fruits related to coolness that we are going to see? See, watermelon. So watermelon again is a very juicy fruit. Yes or no? It has more content of water in it. So watermelon is a fruit which is available in summer season. Okay, and when you eat a watermelon during summer season, you feel very cool inside your body because itself it has more content, it has a larger quantity of water in it. Okay, so it quenches our thirst, it makes us feel refreshed. Then comes the mango. Mango is again one of the favorite fruit of most of the people. Okay, and mango is a fruit which you can see in the market during summer season. Okay, and the next one is musk melon. Okay, you must have seen this fruit. It is known as, in Marathi or Hindi it is known as chibud. So that is musk melon. It is very sweet. Again, it is very juicy, very tasty to have during summer season. You can have milkshake of it, or you can just eat the fruit as it is. So it is very sweet, very tasty, and very juicy. So these were the few examples of fruits which we see in the market during summer season, and these fruits give you coolness or refreshes you during summer season. Okay, now we are going to see about lychee. Lychee is also a fruit which has more quantity of water in it. Again, it is sweet and sour both, and you can see this also in the market during summer season. Okay, now we are going to see about the fruits which are available in rainy season. Now rainy season is a season where you don't feel hot, you don't feel cold, it is a very moderate season. Okay, the atmosphere around you is quite quite comfortable. It is not becoming hot for us, or it is not too cold for us. It is a pleasant atmosphere all around. Okay, so which fruits you see in the market during rainy season? Jamuns. So jamun is a fruit which you get from the forest. Okay, it grows in the forest, and this fruit is again very somewhat sweet and sour. You can have either juice of it or you can eat it. It has a small seed inside it, and it is purplish in color. So jamuns are the fruits which you can see in rainy season. Again, karvandas. Karvandas is also karvandas or karvanda in Marathi. Karvanda. Pickles are also prepared from this karvanda, and it is also karvandas are obtained from forest. Okay, it grows in the forest. It is see, it is green in color. It is small, tiny, round in shape, and it is sour to taste. Okay, this you can see in rainy season. Okay, now fruits which are available in winter season. Now winter season is a season which is cold. So if you have watermelon in winter season, you will get cold. You will get cold and cough. So watermelon you cannot eat in winter season. If you want, you can eat it in a limited quantity, not more. Okay, otherwise you will get cold and cough. So which are the fruits which are available in winter season? Let us have a look. Strawberries. So strawberry is a fruit which you can see more in the market during winter season. Okay, a very tasty, you like to have strawberry ice creams, you like to have strawberry milkshakes, juices. Okay, so strawberry is a fruit which is available during winter season. Then comes apple. Apples are also more available during winter season. Okay, apple, we have a proverb here, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Like if you eat an apple every day, it keeps you fit and healthy. And as I told you, all the fruits keep you fit and healthy, but you should have each and every fruit according to seasons. As the season changes, we get a variety of fruit, and you should taste each and every fruit. Okay, and you should have a fruit every day. If you have apple today, tomorrow you can have banana. So you should eat different types of fruits every day, which keeps you healthy. Is that clear? Now apple again is a fruit which you can see more in market during winter season. You get fresh, nice big red apples during winter season. Next are cherry. Cherries also you can see more in the market during winter season. Again, they are sweet and sour. They are very very healthy and nutritious. Okay, and they are very easy to, you can just, when you are reading a book or when you are doing something, you can have a bowl of cherries aside you, and you can eat one by one. Again, it has a small seed inside it, so you should be very careful while eating cherry, otherwise you will swallow the seed also. Okay, so have cherries. If some have not tasted, tell your parents to bring for you and have a taste of cherries too. Is that clear? Now listen. Now you will ask me, Miss, that we can see these fruits all throughout the year. It is not that it is during only summer season we get watermelons, or during winter season we get watermelons, or during rainy season we can see watermelons throughout the year. We can see nowadays all the fruits throughout the year. Like apples we can see throughout the year, yes or no? Bananas we obviously see throughout the year. Papayas we obviously see throughout the year. Pomegranates also we see throughout the years. But majority of the fruits are available throughout the year. And what is the reason behind it? I will tell you. Some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in a certain season are now available all year round. So children, I just gave you an example of the fruits which are available in the market during particular season. But apart from that thing, you can see all the fruits available throughout the year. And what is the reason behind it is availability of water throughout the year. Now technology has become modern. We are using modern technology in farming techniques also, in agriculture also, and in places where previously water was not available, now water is made available through tanks, tankers, or sprinklers, or through some dams or wells or rivers. And that is why when the field or the crop gets water throughout the year, you can get crops throughout the year, like the fruits you can get throughout the year. So availability of water should be throughout the year, and that is the reason why we see the fruits and vegetables, all the fruits and vegetables, majority of the fruits and vegetables available in the market throughout the year, because number one reason is availability of water throughout the year. Previously modern technology was introduced, but many of the farmers were not knowing about it, and they were not using it, and they were finding it very expensive to use it also. But because of lot of government facilities and lot of schemes which are provided to the farmers, they can now easily access, they can now easily use all the modern technologies, and that is the reason the fruits and vegetables we can see in the market throughout the year. Okay, now what is the second reason? Availability of improved seeds. As I told you, because of the government facilities, the government has provided many facilities and many schemes for the farmers. So when they yield good seeds, yes, improved means best quality seeds, so then the crops come out very well, they yield very well, and the fruits whatever they are going to yield, suppose it is an apple tree, suppose it is a mango tree, the mangoes, the apples come in plenty on the trees because of improved seeds. and that is the reason we get the fruits, different kinds of fruits which were available according to the season before are now available throughout the year. So the second reason is availability of improved fruit seeds. Okay. Then importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. Yes, this is also the next important reason. Now apples are mostly grown in Himalaya region. Yes or no, it is grown in Himachal Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh is far away from it. It is not near to us. But we buy apples from them, and that is called as importing. And since we import fruits and vegetables throughout the year, that is why fruits and vegetables are available in the market throughout the year and not according to season to some extent. Is that clear? So importing, that is buying fruits and vegetables from other parts of the world, has made enable for the fruits and vegetables to available in the market throughout the year. Is that clear? And the next important reason is faster transport facilities. Now transport facilities means only in previous and olden days there was only waterways, like ship was there or a bullock cart was there, which could not travel that much faster and that much more to longer distances. But now because of the transport facilities like airplanes, trucks, railways, we can transport goods at a faster speed, and we can import, means we can buy goods also and we can sell goods also to other parts of the country because of faster transport facilities. Is that clear? So this is the next important reason why are the fruits and vegetables, all the fruits and vegetables available throughout the year. It is not now only for a particular season, but you can see it throughout the year. And these were the 4 reasons why you can see various kinds of fruits and vegetables in the market throughout the year. Is that clear? Now we are going to take a recap of what we have watched in today's video. First, we watched about the availability of fruits and vegetables varies according to the seasons. Varies means it differs. Okay, so you get fruits and vegetables during particular season, but now it is not like that. You get it throughout the year, but when it is rainy season, and suppose watermelons, you can find more in summer season, lesser in winter and rainy season, not in that much quantity as you found it in summer season. You can find, but in lesser quantity. Is that clear? Different fruits and vegetables are available in different season. You get a variety of fruits and vegetables according to the seasons, and you should make it a point to taste and to eat all the fruits and vegetables which are available in the market, because each fruit and each vegetable has some nutritional value which is good and healthy for us. Is that clear? Now some fruits and vegetables, a very important point here, which were previously available. Only previously means before, means you can say some few years back, when this condition was that you will not get watermelons in rainy and winter season. This is made now possible that you can get watermelon in summer also, in winter also, and in rainy season also, that you can get this fruit throughout the year because of certain facilities. Okay, so you can, certain seasons are now available all year round. Is that clear? And I hope you have understood today's video. What I have taught you, I had taught you about the fruits which are available during seasons, and why now you can see all the fruits available all year round because of some particular reasons and facilities which have been improved. So thank you for listening to me carefully, and this is not the end of the chapter. There are still more parts of the chapter. We will complete it very soon, and thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye. Take care. 19